This video is going to show you how to download the new NWEA lockdown browser for map testing. The first thing you're going to do is go to tinyurl.com/UAS map 19. Doesn't look like anything happened, but you'll see the application began downloading in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and open that. And I'm going to drag it into my applications folder. You might get a notification that asks you if you want to keep an older version. Go ahead and hit replace. And then I'm going to go ahead, go to my applications, and I'm going to right click on the browser and hit get info. The version that you should be downloading right now is this one here, 4.0.0.3. Many of you downloaded the version that was 0.2 at the end in the fall of this year, but this one is updated so that there are less glitches. So just make sure that's the correct version that you have. And then let's go ahead and test opening it to make sure that everything's good. You'll select open. If at any point you get another notification that says that it has not opened or you're not allowed to open applications from the internet, go to your security and privacy under System Preferences. And under General, there is a section that says Allow Apps Downloaded From, and it will have a notification where you can say Open Anyway for the app NWEA Secure Lockdown Browser.